Long ago, there was a creature who knew all the secrets of the world. People call her Bai Ze. She could take any form. But tonight, she walks among you as one of you.
Get close, little ones, and let me share the stories the world has whispered to me since the dawn of time. Invented in China about 4 million ago, the earliest versions of chopsticks were cooking utensils made of twigs. Today, chopsticks remain the primary eating utensils of East Asian communities. Wood and bamboo are still the most common materials that chopsticks are made from. The first character of the Chinese term for quads comprises the semantic element for bamboo and the character meaning quick. There are some tips on what not to do with them. 1. Avoid sticking chopsticks straight up in a bowl of rice, as it is reminiscent of the incense burnt at funeral altars to venerate ancestors. 2. Do not use chopsticks like drumsticks and hit them against your plate or the table. This would be considered a sign of insolence and rudeness. 3. It is considered rude and insulting to point with your chopsticks.